Yes, you have heard it right. You can export files and attachment from your Salesforce. Let me show you how. This is the Files Downloader app. The first option you will get is which object you want to download files and attachments. I'm taking an account. And after going to an account record, I have 4 options I can go. With a one particular account record file within the list view of account. Third is the SQL query. Fourth is the related record of account. So for demo, I'm just taking file within the list view of account. And after clicking on file within the list view of account, I'm hitting search. After hitting the search, you can see this is the data table which has arrived. So all the record I can see, these are the account name, Burlington, Taranis, Salesforce.com, Global Industries. These are the files associated in this particular account record, and their size, their type, their last modified date. So I'm just taking 10 for now. After taking 10, so in this data table, you can see and count the total number of files which are found. 148 and page 1 out of 15, but this is, as you can see, this is 10 files. Just hitting here. Once this is done, I just simply need to click on download. Perfect. My download has initiated. It will not take more than 15 seconds. Okay, it has already been downloaded. Now clicking OK, and I can open the zip file. After opening the zip file, these were the account and the files associated in these accounts. Burlington, and this is Global Industry, Taranis, and another file is the file mapping CSV file. This is important and the crucial one, which has the ID of each of the file, their title, their parent ID, parent name, file path, owner ID, owner name, create date, last modified date. Yeah, you have seen this is how it is easy to export all your files and attachment from Salesforce within 2 minutes. If I will be able to do it, you can also do it.